Welcome to the 6th lecture, Creating a Monthly Income from Your Currency Profits. This lecture will discuss REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. Real estate can be a reliable source of income, but purchasing, owning, and renting physical property can be a pain. However, there are ways to earn income in real estate without dealing with tenants. REITs allow anyone to profit from property. The simplest way to earn a steady income from real estate is through REITs, which are as accessible to the common investor as dividend stocks. You can invest in real estate investment trusts through your stock brokerage account. There are a lot of highly recommended REIT investments available. Real estate investment trusts allow individuals to invest in large-scale, income-producing real estate. These may include office buildings, shopping malls, apartments, hotels, resorts, self-storage facilities, warehouses, and mortgages or loans. By law, REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to investors as dividends, although many pay 100%. Let me repeat this fact surrounding REITs. By law, REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to investors as dividends, although many pay 100%. According to Forbes, the top REITs have low balance sheets, fair prices, and forward dividend yields between 8% and 10.8%. Investors with bigger nest eggs may want to consider real estate syndications, which are partnerships that use pooled money to fund large investments. Always remember, diversification is the key to lowering your risk when investing. Some REITs are more income-oriented, while others are more profit-oriented upon selling the property. Most REITs pay passive income in the form of distributions. These distributions can be significant. REITs provide excellent tax benefits, including depreciation in the first few years, even as you collect passive income. You can still show a loss on your tax return. Syndications want big money investors. The minimum buy-in is usually $50,000 to $100,000. However, middle-income taxpayers can invest in real estate through crowdfunding, often a higher risk, high-reward way to invest. You can start investing in real estate crowdfunding for as little as $10. You can invest in a loan or a fund. These sites include Ground Floor, the channel's favorite because of the collateral clause, and Roofstock and Realty Mogul. Do your research before investing. If you are not sure, employ a financial advisor. Just know that when investing in exotic currencies, excessive profits can be realized quickly. Knowing how you will create a monthly income, to avoid spending your initial profits, is preparing to maintain your wealth and not spending it month after month to live on. Spending your initial investment is the fastest way to go broke.